Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton. Thank you for your incredible support in bringing our community together. A huge shout out to our gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your commitment to local sports makes all the difference for our athletes. Next, we recognize our silver sponsor, Glaze Allure with eXp Realty. Thank you for your professional partnership and dedication to the FBL family. We are also proud to have Viscount Kitchen Pinoy Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our local community events. And thank you to Lechel Tacta and Ken Martinez, our silver sponsor mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new heights this season. Join us every Sunday night at Connaught Gym. Let's make this season legendary. Thank you to all our sponsors and fans.
Hello, good evening. Mic test lang. Another ball game. Team 5 and Scorpio Knight. Playoffs na ba?
Game 1.
Just a reminder, guys,
Best of three,
it's start of the playoff.
Best of 3.
Best of 3. Best of 3. So, sabihin, tatlong laro. So, best of 3 tayo. Start of best of 3 between Team 5 and Scorpio Knight.
Join
talk
the
about
middle.
these, we're still waiting for one more referee. And we're going to start the battle between these two teams. Two great basketball teams repping the city of Fredericton.
Bernard, maglalaro ba?
Again, Team 5 and Scorpio Knights. Stay tuned.
Idol! Dito, idol! Hey! Interviewin mo! Para live na ka-live tayo! Natin dito yun! Isa lang? Isa lang? Ha? Isa lang? Waiting for one more. 7:15, di ba? Pag na-complete na tayo, so hindi pa picture tayo, ha? Tapos po. Nadala ang bola. Michelle to. Maganda yun. Michelle to. 10 minutes pa na. Minute warm up.
Guys, 3 minutes warm up, 3 minutes warm up, okay? We'll start in 3. Again, welcome to another game, FPL basketball. Like I said, first game, best of
Welcome to the
3
2026
playoffs,
FBL Sports
open
events.
division
Get
between
ready for an
Team
incredible
5
season of energy,
headed
community,
by
and high-stakes
Russian
competition right here in
and
Fredericton.
Team Captain
We are honored to
Russian.
introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys
And at
Fredericton.
Scorpion Knights,
Thank you
headed
for
by
your incredible support
Bernard.
in bringing our community together. A huge
same
shout out
as
to our
always,
gold sponsor, Acevedo Property and Equipment Rental. Your
please
commitment to
respect,
local
the
sports makes all the
representation.
difference for our athletes.
Representation is
Next,
final.
we recognize our silver
And
sponsor,
let's
Blaze
keep it
Award with
clean,
EXP Realty.
competitive, but
Thank you
clean,
for your
and,
professional
all of us
partnership
just
and
have fun, guys,
dedication to the
okay? And
FBL
then,
family. We are
outside
also
the
proud
court,
to
we are
have
all
Viscount
brothers
Kitchen
and
Pinoy
sisters.
Fiesta as a silver sponsor, bringing amazing flavor and support to our
And
local community events.
take off your
And
bling
thank you
bling,
to
guys.
Mitchell
No
Tapper
bling
and
bling.
Ken Martinez,
Take off your
our
bling.
silver sponsor
Okay.
mortgage brokers, for helping us reach new
We don't
heights
want
this
any
season.
accidents
Join us
happening
every Sunday
on
night
the
at
court.
Club.
Give me your bling. I got that. Give me your bling, guys. I'll hold it for you.
Bigay natin ito sa referee. Bola. Pwede rin.
We're gonna start in a few minutes, guys. Good luck to both teams. Scorpion Knights, Team 5. Good luck to both teams. And before everything else, I would like to thank everyone who came in tonight to support their own team and their boyfriends and their husbands. Thank you for coming in tonight. And just a reminder to everyone who brought their kids, please attend to your kids. Please attend to your kids, especially during a live ball game to prevent any accidents. Okay. Just be careful, guys, and just enjoy the game. Let's go! Let's go! First 5! Scorpion Knights, scoreboard home. Team 5, scoreboard yes.
Time ka? Ikaw. Okay lang kayo. Sige, ganito para live ako.
Good luck to both teams. Ayaw ako na dyan. Basta naman. Ay, very good. Ready to go? Ginusto nyo yan.
Yeah, ready to go.
First 5, let's go! Game 1, Open division. Playoff. Team 5 versus the Scorpion Knights. Good luck to both teams.
Shout out.
Ito na pala si George. Si George. Lagi na lang si George. Let's go! Good luck to both teams.
Ano ang home?
Home is Scorpion Knights. Yes,
5 lang.
team 5.
5 lang, 5. 5.
Oh, team 5.
Home 5.
Guys, sorry, changes, team 5, scoreboard, team 5 is home, Scorpion Knights is yes, okay? Black is, black is home.
No. White.
Yes.
White. White is home. Black
White
is
is,
yes.
white is home, white is home. White, black is yes.
So you ready?
Oh, good to go, sir. Let's go! Here we go!
Time.
Game! And a bit. George! Setting up. Allen! Lowy got it! Lowy, the big guy! Oh, and a drop pass to Russian, and a deep challenge, no good! Rebound by Steven! On the way! Yes, sir! First place,
Yes, sila.
no good! Rebounded! And a feed from Darwin to key around. Early by Scorpion Knights. Lori. Allen. Found Lori. Drop pass to Roshan. Roshan being captain. Kick out to George. George with an open look. Hesitated. George. Tulong. And nice defense by Tolu. Guys, linya lang. Linya lang, David, linya lang. May kakit referee. Lori, double D, kick out to Rochelle, Allen, with a look, Allen attacking, Allen, kick out back to Lori took the shot, no good. Rebounded to Allen, oh, nice defense, Tolu, turning up, the defense hesitated, and to Tolu, it's okay, Allen on the way, and in the crowd, thereabouts.
17.
17 foul.
Okay.
First personal, team 17, first team foul. Scorpion Knights. Kenny, Tsunami. Allen, no good. Nice defense for the black team. Keep on the way. And lost it. 7 minutes, 20 seconds. George for a 3.
3 points.
Darwin with a straight pass. No good. Rush in. it to Vince. Vince, guarded by Allen. Vince took the shot. Vince. And a miss. George. George again! And a miss by George. Nice rebound by George. Tolu setting up. Tolu guarded by Kenny. Tolu, free pass, no good. Tolu trying to take Kenny. Darwin in the miss. Rebounded by George. George and Shabika Allen. Oh my God! Nalaslas na lang, ayaw pa rin.
Ay, 5 minutes.
Nice shot by Stephen!
4-6 yan, 4-6. 3 points yun. 4-6.
Lori and one by Lori!
Time out. Time out. Time out.
Time out! Black team! So, the shot by Lori is good. So, also 3 points saved by Lori.
Oras.
Ayaw eh.
May ako, miss.
Tayo mo? Ilang oras yun wala? 4:45? Di ba diretso tayo?
Then, pag time out, diretso, pero pag time out, stop.
Tama, stop. Ilang seconds yun wala? Wait lang guys, wait. I'm just gonna add from seconds to the clock. 4:45.
Wag na. Maya mo na start. Okay na yan.
Hindi mag-a-adjust ako, sinabi ko na sa referee. Kaya mo na, okay. It's okay. Hindi ako pamilyar dito.
Hindi nga pa niya yan.
And a miss!
8-4. Wala na.
Yes! Pablo with the follow-up, no good, rebounded by Kenny. Boom, 6 and 1!
Score the match. Black side, 19. One shot.
19?
Yes.
Jet, first personal, 13 foul na, di ba? 13 foul. 13 foul, Scorpio Knight. Boom! 7-point lead.
Shot! Libre!
Nene! For a three! First basket by Nene! Rochelle, double kick! Lori Yes, sir! And a miss! Get a big one, team. Whoa, whoa! Oh, what a pass! Roshan! Just waiting! First back in the ball game for Roshan. Main 8 trying to take low read. Bernardo, no good! Oh, nice! The hustle by Main 8! And ball remaining to black team. Bernard with an open look. Bernard, uy, tapos, kitang-kita na, friend. Parang pag-girl yung play, what happened? Parang big red, Lori! From Roshan, the team captain! Roshan! Oh, almost! Jet, second personal. Warning for penalty, 14 fouls. Scorpion Knights. Team captain Roshan for 2. Yes, sir. Power chicken wing.
14. Popoy!
Oh, solo with the rebound. Nice shot. To Jet attacking. Jet with the pick. No good. Jenny. Go. No good. Go with the final out. Go again. Double digit lead. Hindi pala. Single digit lang pala. 8-point lead. Team 5. Pero mahaba pa yan. May 3 quarters pa tayo. Kaya ng Scorpion Knights lang. Parang pagod kasi itong mga to. Kaya siglahan itong mga to. Ano ba ito?
Nandun si Edmond.
Let's go! Last! Muntik na mawala! To George! Open look! Oh, medyo kapos! Wala natin namin pre. Nalito na kami sa score. Darwin with the spin! Darwin with the shot! Darwin with the miss! Darwin! Heat with the kill! Heat! And a foul! One three sila yun, pare, taas kamay, 1-3. As Darwin, first personal, first team foul, team 5. Dalawang Darwin. And a miss by Keith, patuloy si Keith, ang kaya siya gawa nito. Oh, kapasahan, kapasahan, dalawang free throw ni Keith. George, carry up. George, tumong. Whoa! No good. Rebounded by Navy. Nice defense by the white team. Navy to Darwin. Kick out to Vince. Vince, all along, Vince, the Vince. Vince, top line. Defense to rebound. Defense, kick. Ayaw talaga. Roshan the rebound. Go, accelerate. Go, kick. Go. Hesitate. Nakita si Darwin. Darwin, umatake. Darwin, wala. Darwin, rebound. Darwin. Darwin, possible 3-point play. Yes, sir! Double-digit lead in favor of Team 5. No good. Rebounded by Darwin. Boom. Guarded by Nene. Boom, took a shot. Boom, with a shot. He's right to take. And a go.
White 15. Two shots. Sub.
Substitution. Tolu coming in for Nene, Bernard coming in for Darwin. Vince, two shots. Parang pamuti ko si Vince, ano ba pinagkakaroon ng Wild of Scorpio Night? Parang hindi kayo ready. Ayun! Vince! Hindi naman dyan.
10, 9.
Nine lang. George, guarded by George! And a miss by George! And the ball will remain in the white team! Nice hustle by George! 21-9 in favor of Team 5. Bongbong again, Bongbong! Left side open, no good! Tolu with the rebound. Tolu on the way! Tolu! And a miss! Darwin with a face! Darwin! Nice miss by Darwin! Big! Tolu, I got this, guys, don't worry! Oh my God! What a shot by George!
25. Black number 1.
Substitution! Black number 1. Bernard, first personal.
Steven.
Substitution! Pasok! Ilan na si Bernard? First personal Bernard, second team foul. Let's go tonight. George, possible 3-point play. Yes, sir! George completing a 3-point play. Bernard, to Vince! Another miss by Vince. Not all the way! Not another shot by Not.
Limahong haplas ah.
Bernard, thank you!
Double.
Kenny! Back to Kenny!
Tingkasin.
Allen, and give it to Jeff! Parang nagulang lang kung si Allen ang konti. Kick out to Bernard with a screen from Jeff! Oh! Binigay pa! Nice hustle by Kenny! George with a spin! George! Oh my God! Seven, last kamay! 17 ba? Keith, third personal na, Papi. 13 foul, Scorpio Night. Ay, sorry.
29.
Nakailang ba? Ayan, napasok ko doon. Bernard! Miscommunication! Miscommunication and another miscommunication from the white team as well. So we have a double-digit lead, 19 points by Team 5. Keith to Vince. 50 na ba? Sige, sige. 50 na lang. 50. Kita, fourth personal foul. Fourth personal foul, 14 fouls, 49. Oh, nice touch, man, a foul again. Substitution, Jet, 13 fouls. Penalty na. Penalty na, ang Sporting Knights, Alan.
Yes.
Allen, what a two from the free throw line.
31.
Ben! What is that? 3 points.
Ben, 16.
Team captain Roshan, not that. Kelly wide open. Oh, nice hustle by Roshan. Roshan pa rin. Roshan!
Chicken wing.
Power of chicken wing. Yes, sir. Last shot na ba? Corpinal, Bernard attacking, Bernard tumapit, Bernard! For a shot!
18. Last shot.
Not. Last shot na, Natatawala! Natatumalaki! Natatumira! And that is the end of the second half! 13-point lead, Team 5. Kaya ba yung Sporting Knights? Wala lang. 10 minutes.
Bilis ah. Bro, award ako ng season's MVP pag-picture. Cut mo na. Jin. Pag-picture, Pag-picture.
Hello. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, good evening. I just want to congratulate our season's MVP for open division. Congratulations. They will receive a certificate and $50 and a trophy from Taco Boy. Congratulations to no other than Bo. Yeah. Congratulations! Congratulations to Bong! Season MVP! Open petition! Kaya lang dati, kung hindi pa ako nalagdag sa kanan. Congrats, Bong! Congrats! $2 naman yan, Ay, kakakalag. Hindi ka na yan.
Welcome to the 2026 FBL Sports events. Get ready for an incredible season of energy, community, and high-stakes competition right here in Fredericton. We are honored to introduce our title sponsor for this year, Taco Boys Fredericton.
Hindi ko kilala eh. Sa Maple Leaf eh. Hindi ko kilala. Sige, sige, sige.
Let's go, let's go! Start of the second round! Team 5 still leading by 13 points, pero kaya pa yan ng 49. We still have two quarters. Ay, hindi wala pa tayong shout-out. And just a quick shout-out to our sponsor, Taco Boys, before I forget. I didn't forget. Shout-out to our sponsor, Taco Boys. Guys, hello, we the Realty, Michael Kitchen, 812 Boston Halifax, and Acevedo Property. Let's go! Let's go!
Start.
Nene, got a screen from Bernardo. Ben! Darwin, let's go! Oh my God! Sayang sa lahat ng pinagpumasok ko. Another miss by Darwin. Rory, not attacking. Spinning, not drop pass. Ryan! Oh, what a pass! Ryan, let's go, Darwin!
32. 32.
Nene attacking, Nene! Bernardo with the miss!
Defense.
Not attacking, not all the way! And grip by Nene! Nice defense by Nene!
Defense!
Darwin!
Holy! Defense!
Allen! All alone, Allen!
Defense!
Sonu! Defense! No good! Sonu!
Baba!
Allen!
Defense!
Allen to George! George standing up! George attacking! George! Drop pass to Allen! Allen to the follow-up! Allen again! Back, basket by Allen!
Dead ball. Defense, man.
George! No good! Bernard with the rebound. Bernardo to Darwin! Ayaw talaga! Nene with the rebound. Nene kick up Sonu. I got this, guys! I got this! Sonu for a three! Lori! And miss for Lori. Nene for rebound. Nene! Oh, miscommunication there. Miscommunication. It's okay. Ha! Sabi ko siya. Wait.
Stop na lang muna. Stop na lang.
Wala na silang timeout. Hindi na sila naka-call. Darwin to Lowry. Foul George again! What a shot by George! Dito kayo. Solo again! George! Oh! George! And a miss! Solo the rebound. Solo attacking! Solo! And a miss by Solo. Solo for a rebound. Kenny. George again! Open up by George! George 23! Defense with a miss. Solo with the rebound. Solo to Darwin with an answer, no good. Defense to the rebound. Defense to Ben. For a basket. 20-point lead. Team 5. Oh! Darwin for a shot. Tayo sa engineer pre. Kailangan 22-point lead, team 5. Kenny. Oh, nice defense by Bongbong. Bongbong with a shot again. Favorite shot ni Bongbong na ngayon. Area na yun. Very nice, defense! Uy, may ganun! And a foul.
Falls on 0-0 block. Push.
Abed, second personal foul, second team foul, Scorpionite, Bong going for 2.
Alex.
Oh, may miss by Bongbong. Sabayan na parehong free throw. Bernard to Keith, Guardado, Keith, nakawala rin ang bola. Nakita rin Keith para shot. Wala ba kay love you para kay Keith? Ano mo yun? Ba't kay Keith para kay love you? Nakat! Roshen! Bernard to Steven! Ayan na naman! Ay! Hindi naisip natin sino kay love you.
Usap pa.
The ball will remain with the white team.
25. 25.
Foul? Ay, Stephen, ilan na pag-sipal, Stephen. Second personal, Stephen. 13 fouls, Scorpionite. Not tumatake. Not kinig out. Bongbong, season MVP, tumatake. And the ball will remain with the white team. Nice defense by the black team. Nice hustle. Not to Kenny attacking. Kenny drop pass. Fortune! Oh, it's not Sasada. Rebounded by Fortune. Bernard. Keith attacking. Keith! Wala talaga may labo kay Keith. Bahala ka lang. Bongbong! And a miss! Lapit sa bola! Last 2 minutes for second personal. First team foul. Scorpion team 5. Steven! Oh, and miss, sayang! Kenny, to the rebound. Kenny, to Rochelle again! Rochelle! And the rebound by Steven! Bounce pass to Bernard! And a miss! George! George with a shot! And a miss! And the ball will go to the black team. Ayaw pa dalawang shot. Keith! Offensive foul!
17. Uy, pre-graduate na. Five fouls?
Five na. Keith, number 17, foul out na. Pre, pasok na para kay Keith.
Buster nyo.
Foul out na. And a foul.
17. Wala nang oras. Wala nang oras.
Two shots for Bongo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir! That is the end of the third quarter! Team 5 leading by 22 points. Pero kaya ba yan? Marami pwede mangyari. Baha, brown out, rally.
Ako na.
Marami pa pwede mangyari. Diba? May sa mag-brown out, diba? Rally, baha. Kaya ba yan? And again, just a reminder, we'd like a quick shout out to our sponsors. Taco Boys, Fredericton, Guys Alori, EXP Realty, White House Kitchen, Edward Gordon Danimac, and the Better Property and Equipment Rentals, Taco Boys, two branches, one at Night Street, and one at Trinity Street, near Costco. Check them out, guys, check them out. Oh, hi, sir. Where are you?
Yes.
Start of the last quarter!
Yeah. Good. This is yeah. We're gonna have a steak mixer after this.
Not. Foul, Lori. Lori got it with Tolu.
Oh. Yeah. No worries.
Nice defense by Tolu. Rush in to George. Screen by Lori. George guarded by Bernardo. George taking. George looking for someone. And that's turned over. Nene got the ball. Nene. Nene to Bernardo. Bernardo from the free throw line in the left. Bernardo just the rebound. Tolu attacking. Tolu with the ball. Tolu with the miss. Out of bounds. Nice hustle by Nene. George with a step back three. George! Jay, what a shot by George! Big step back three, in. No good. Substitution, Stephen going in for Jeff. Roshan. George. Lori. Lori. Back. Oh! Nice cut by Roshan.
91.
Nene, first personal. First team foul, Scorpion Knights. Roshan with a miss. Roshan with a miss. So new. Nene attacking. Nene on the way. Nene on. And a miss. Added. Phoenix. Added. From George. George again. And a miss. Rebound by Stephen. Stephen to Vince. Step back three. Vince for three. Napakay natin dyan. Wala kay Vince. Love you, Vince. Oh, Vince again! I got this, guys! Back to back, 3 by Vince! Medyo nagkakabuhay ng never say die, Scorpion Knights! Never say die! Lori and a miss! George in the hustle! Nice thing by George! George! Queen by Lana, George! And a miss! Rebound here by Nene! Nene! To Vince again! Vince! Another three! No good! Lori! And a goal! Nene, second personal foul, second team foul. Just a reminder, both teams have 2 timeouts. Both teams have 2 timeouts.
It's playing second game.
Alan,
57.
first free throw is good, by Alan. And a miss. Oh, that's the rebound. Nice hustle by the right team. George again, but that opens up. No good. Rebound that, but Darwin, my God. Vince, open up. Rebound, Stephen. Nice follow-up by Stephen.
Block 18.
Dolu, first personal, Dolu, 13 foul, Scorpion Knights. Lori for 2 free throw shots. Yes, sir. Yes.
Pasok.
Yes, sir. 2 of 2
59.
from the free throw line. Lori. Nene, I got this right. No good. Nene in a miss. Hit somebody. Foul, Stephen. Oh, Nene. Out of bounds. Too much passing. Sayang. LeBron? Oh. It's Harden by James Harden. Yeah, James Harden. Allen to Lori guarded by Tolu. Lori from Roshan. guys, be careful. We don't have a stretcher. Self-service. Pagpunta sa hospital, self-service. Self-service ang pagpunta sa hospital, ha? Bahala kayo dyan. So, Lou trying to take the defense. Nay with the bit. Not the rebound. Not. George! And a layup by George! Defense. Uy! Ganda dulo! Defense! Free defense! Walang natulog! Darwin! For a three! Pride of USC! Darwin! Lobby to Rochelle to Lobby again. Back to Rochelle attacking, kick out to Allen. I got it. No good. And a foul.
28.
Not second personal. Second team foul. Darwin again. Oh, Nay, nice defense for Nay. Vince. Oi! That's a fast defense. Nice hustle by defense. George, step back three. George again! Kung saan ba kaya kain ito parang ko? George, ano ba ito mismo, George? Kung na makabili nga yan. Steven, black pass to Tolu. Oh, Tolu with a miss. George again. George trying to hit Darwin. George, huwag patuloy yung matanda, George. George, huwag ang pasok sa matanda. George, you miss. Not. Lori, you forgot about Lori. No good. Rebounded by Lele to Stephen. Stephen and a layup. Easy shot by Stephen. 18-point lead. With 2 minutes, 17 seconds remaining in the last quarter. Stephen, George tries to hit me. George with the step back three. No good. Darwin. See, I see there. Not Matt. 2 points. 20-point lead. Tolu. Shoot it, bro. Stephen, coming on the set. Tolu, here we go. Tolu to Darwin. Nice pass from Tolu to Darwin. Ano ba yan? 18-point lead with 1 minute 30 seconds remaining in the last quarter. George tries to hit Nene. Oh, Nene! And it is. Nice defense by Nene. Lowry! No good. Darwin.
Tira, Idol.
Darwin, Stephen, follow up, no good. And again, quick shout out for Titan sponsors, Tampa Boys, Federation, Carol Bosro, and thank you for coming in tonight, church, to support the league. Nice to know me with the Realty, Micah Kitchen, 81240 Halifax, as a bit of property and equipment rentals. Stephen, no good. Tolu with a rebound. Tolu, no good. That's it. That's it. Alrighty. Grabbing game 1. Best of 3. Playoff. Nice game. Nice game by both teams. Nice game by both teams. Nice game by both teams.